scared?
What's in there? What's in there, Precious?
Is there a kitty cat in there?
You little mongrel.
I'm not a mongrel. I'm a good girl. I'm scared because I only come to Mommy when I'm scared.
You're not scared. You want the cat.
I'm scared.
I know better. Go. Where's the kitty? Go. Go see where. Show my mom the kitty. Show mom the kitty. Go. Go. Where's the kitty? Come on. Come on. Where's the kitty? Don't hide underneath the chair either, you little monster. Come on. Come on, Precious. Come on. There's her problem.
What?
That's Jack. But you were talking to her a minute ago. What's your problem? Dog versus cat. Hi, Jack.